Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Healthy Habits Hub. Today we're diving into the mysteries of aging spots and how to avoid them. Did you know that more than 80% of people over the age of 40 get dark spots on their skin, often called aging spots? These spots, caused mostly by sun exposure, might seem like a normal part of getting older. But here's the surprising part. There's something else behind these spots that's not talked about enough. Today, we're going to explore what's really causing them and how you can prevent them from appearing. Aging spots, also known as liver spots, usually show up due to too much time in the sun. But while many people think they are just part of aging, there's more to the story. These spots are often a sign that your body might be lacking something important: zinc. Zinc is a mineral your body needs to keep your skin healthy. It helps your skin produce collagen, the protein that makes your skin smooth and firm. Without enough zinc, your skin becomes weaker and more prone to damage, which can lead to these spots. Studies, like the one published by Oregon State University, have shown that zinc deficiency becomes more common as we age. Zinc deficiency not only weakens the skin, but also increases inflammation and oxidative stress, which are major contributors to aging spots. The good news? Zinc isn't acting alone. It works even better when you combine it with selenium, another nutrient that helps protect your skin from damage. Zinc and selenium together form a powerful team that helps your skin fight off the damage caused by the sun. Selenium can also help control how much melanin, the pigment that gives your skin its color, is produced. When there's too much melanin, you get those dark spots. If you're looking for a supplement to help with this, try finding one that contains both zinc and selenium. Many supplements today combine these two because they work better together, but you can also get them from foods. The richest source of zinc is oysters, with a 3-ounce serving providing up to 74 milligrams of zinc, far exceeding your daily needs. And for selenium, just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts can provide more than 100% of your daily requirement. In addition to oysters and Brazil nuts, there are other great food sources for these essential nutrients. You can find zinc in foods like beef, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and fortified cereals. Selenium is also present in sunflower seeds, fish, eggs, whole grains, and poultry. Now, if you're vegetarian or vegan, getting enough zinc and selenium can be a bit more challenging, but not impossible. For zinc, focus on foods like chickpeas, lentils, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, and fortified cereals. You can also boost absorption by pairing zinc-rich plant foods with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or oranges, which helps your body absorb zinc better. For selenium, you can rely on Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, and mushrooms. Just 1 Brazil nut a day can provide enough selenium for most people. Some people also turn to DIY remedies to treat aging spots, and one popular option is a baking soda and lemon juice paste. While this mixture can help exfoliate the skin and lighten dark spots due to the natural acidity of lemon juice, it comes with some risks. Baking soda is highly alkaline and can upset the natural pH balance of your skin, potentially causing dryness or irritation. Lemon juice is acidic and can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, increasing the risk of sunburn and hyperpigmentation. If you decide to try this remedy, make sure to patch test first and always apply sunscreen afterwards to protect your skin from UV damage. In short, aging spots aren't just from the sun, they're also a sign that your skin might be missing some key nutrients like zinc and selenium. By making sure you get enough of these nutrients, whether through food or supplements, and being cautious with DIY remedies, you can keep your skin healthy, protect it from sun damage, and reduce the appearance of those dark spots. We hope you found this video helpful. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting. Also, comment down below if you have any suggestions for what you'd like to see next.